Yeah, Mama is 34 years old already. Still young.
Well, a bit. Mama ordered a truck for the first.
So today is my birthday and Papa said no need for me to cook. Papa will just buy pasta and pizza. We're here. Here Papa ordered. You wait here, Papa. Yeah, here. So Angela pizza. Papa ordered here. I have no mask, so I have to wait here. Okay, Gaia. Hello. Sure? Process too? Wow.
You want to put it on?
Yeah.
Vorsicht, careful.
Or this one here.
Carry this.
This one here, Papa.
Yeah.
Pizza.
Pizza boy.
Vielen Dank, Papa. Hi. Rest of our cake earlier. Happy birthday to Mama.
I prefer the pizza.
Danke. Okay, let's eat. Mama Yet is 34 years old. Yeah, Mama is 34 years old already. Still young.
Well, a bit.
Papa ordered shoes for us, for Mama and the kids. So let's see. Good. So this is for Mama. So yeah. Thank you, Papa. So this is shoes for Mama. My oceans are for whales, not plastic. Gaia! Gaia! Wow! You like your shoes? You like your shoes? And this is for Aries. Sandal. So Papa ordered these last time for Aries. Similar to what Gaia have now. It's with the name here. So this is another gift from Papa. Picnic basket. Papa asked me what I want and I said, yeah, maybe a picnic basket because later on in summer we have a picnic somewhere. Yay! And so Papa choose these because it's more easier to carry.
Yeah. In my opinion, it's more easy.
Okay. So it's a rucksack.
Picnic rucksack.
This
is for
is-
Mama's wine.
So yan, sabi ni Papa dito yung wine. And then,
Juice bottle, you can put a different bottles, I guess. Or like a thermos
that's
bottle.
right. So at the back, this is the picnic mat.
Yeah, like
It's
a
so-
blanket.
Yeah, it's so wide.
It's with waterproof under. I mean, there's like a anti-water.
Oh, yeah. Ta-da! So yan, plates, may serviette. Ito yung parang tadtaran. Bread. Schneider bread. And, yeah, merong mga spoon and fork and mesa. So nice. I'm amazed with this. I didn't saw like this in the past, Papa. It's in Amazon. Oh. And there's a salt and pepper here. I mean, I didn't.
I mean, they have picnic basket there too, but I was thinking this is more practical. I mean, practice here.
That's right.
Better, in my opinion.
So we can put the.
It's more easy to carry.
That's right.
Viel leichter.
Vielen Dank, Papa.
But yeah, I mean, this is only like a plastic.
plastic.
That I didn't know where.
Yeah, we open it more
maybe,
later.
maybe this is the fridge. I mean, it's isolated. Maybe.
Yeah.
And you can use include some cool packs, some ice packs.
So nice.
And it's for four people.
Yeah.
Four.
Yeah, there's 4 plates too.
Yeah, this is plastic plates, but it's okay, I guess. And
Masa.
yeah, the opener, bottle opener.
Oh, sure. So we can have a picnic later on. Vielen Dank, Daddy.
Ja, bitteschön.
Love you.
When is the first picnic?
When it's sunny. It's
Sunday then. Sunday is sunny.
Okay.
Can bring it to Oma's place to the barbecue.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Hey, guck mal, der hier.
It's for the.
Maybe more.
Yeah. Sure.
It's polyester.
Yeah. So yun, that's our celebration.
I guess Mayet will make a picture from the picnic
Yeah.
one day.
Yes, of course. So that's our Mama Yet celebration. 34.
This old lady now.